Okay, so this is number 8 on the Algebra 2 practice test. It says which expression is equivalent to the square root of 16 a to the 4th x to the 6th when a is greater than 0 and x is greater than 0. All right, so this part here is just telling us that these two variables are positive, so that means we don't have to worry about having absolute values or anything extra in our answer. So that's going to make it a little bit easier. So which expression is equivalent? So we're going to have square root of 16. We can break this into parts, and that's square root of a to the 4th times square root of x to the 6th. So all I did was kind of break that up. So square root of 16 is just 4. And then we know that the index is 2, and when this is a variable to a power, we can just take the index and divide it into that power. So 2 goes into 4 2 times, so I'm going to have a squared. And then same thing here. The index is 2, so 2 into 6 is x to the 3rd. And we look over here, and we can see that M is the correct answer.